I'm Ms.Thilaga and I'm Managing Director of Aloe Physiotherapists. We've been established since last year in October. The service that we are providing is more on neurophysiotherapist, pediatric physiotherapist, women health, and special educations for the kids and adults, which is a psychometric. And besides that, we should do a chest percussion, which is most of the kids, they need to go hospitals or clinics, but rarely physios do chest sections. So we do provide one of the treatments over here. MEDGel-X is introduced by one of my friends. She is a physiotherapist and she's been applying to her client and the patient. And there's a day where I came across and she told me, why don't you apply this for your client and the patients? It could be more effective on your treatment part. So that's where I started to purchase one first from her. And I first was implanted on my athlete, which is he's a football player. And when the face came to me, he complained that he had more on a day of muscle strained and right after a ball and a cramped, and the next day had a heavy soreness of the leg. So I introduced him to use this MEDGELX gels for him and apply for a week, and he get me back with a very positive result, which is he felt way better. Since applying that, he has no excuses for the coach and also is actively used, and that's how I started to implant the same MEDGELX to my patients. When I was trying this implanted MEDGELX gel with my patients, and what they was giving feedbacks that are given back to me, they feel much relief and better instead of applied of other applicants on them. And moreover, they much interest to purchase by themselves and then back to home, and whenever they feel the soreness or any spasm over the part that been affected, they applied by themselves. So they feel it's much more useful and handy. Wherever they go, they can take back with them, and it's quite flexible. Wherever they go, it's not that strained for them to take. The modalities that are implied for the MEDGELX is ultrasounds and a TENS and a method. And the ultrasounds and the TENS is one of the implants that we need the other gels to apply to make it moist over the part, but instead of it, but MEDGELX is give much fast effective for the patients. Instead of I need to carry off the second treatments to release the muscle TENS, I want to do with my ultrasounds. They feel it's like one go treatments. I don't need to again span a free time back with my patients for muscle release. Yeah, I'm strongly will to recommend the MEDGELX to other of my colleagues physiotherapists, especially when the patients comes after the sport injuries. This is one of the really useful MEDGELX that you can apply. Even any other musculoskeletal injuries, which is muscle strain or any joint pain or muscle spasm, they can apply it. And because even at first I don't really trust on it, believe on it, but once after I even apply with my own patients, I have a very high hopes that my patient have a very fast recovery. So I would strongly recommend that it's no harm to apply on the other patients or any other conditions. It's truly it's all made by, even the ingredient is made by natural things, and it's safe and sound to everyone to apply it. MEDGELX Athletics Gel is shorter the treatment and faster the recovery.